So today we're out here and we have just picked up the new mini excavator. It's a Doosan DX63 2015 model. Weighs about 14,000 pounds. Have to look again. I think it's around 60 horse. It's got the blade on it. Got a thumb coming for it and a 48-inch grading bucket. The 24 is what's on it right now, tooth bucket. Got an extra set of tracks here with it. These tracks they're not terrible, but we're gonna get all the life we can out of those before we switch it over. Do a little walk around here. It's just got the standard blade. It's not the 6-way or the 4-way, I'm sorry. 1,000 hours. It was an old rental machine, but always real well taken care of. Good company, some real good people to work for. So why don't we get it unloaded and maybe play in the dirt with it a little bit, see how it does. Okay, well, did a little bit of digging there, tramming it around, got to unload a little blade work. Gonna take me some getting used to get used to the controls and I guess the speed of the hydraulics too. I'm not quite used to something this fast. Used to use a little bit of a backhoe loader, stuff like that. Nothing quite to the caliber of this machine, so I apologize for the shaky controls a little bit like that. Like I say, it's going to take a little bit of getting used to. I think it's going to be a really good machine for me. Seems to have plenty of power. So far, I think I'm going to be really happy with it, knock on wood. We'll do a review here in a couple hundred hours and see how it's doing. See if there's any issues, give you guys kind of a review or something like that. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the like button.